If you want to know what comes with your cold therapy machine, you came to the right spot. We're going to show you what comes in the box when you get your cold therapy machine. Hi, it's Steve from MyColdTherapy, where we help people get back to living. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and all the links to everything we mentioned in the description box below. Let's jump right into it. Patients are always asking us what comes in the box. How do I know I'm getting the right things? Michelle, please show us what comes in the box.
Today we're going to show you what comes inside the box for the Donjoy Iceman Classic system. So once you get your box, you're going to want to open it. And the first thing you're going to pull out is going to be a paper that just serves as a reminder to never put the pads directly on your skin, just to remind you that you do need to have some type of barrier between your skin and the pad. The next thing you're going to take out is the pad if you chose one. Some people don't need a pad and therefore they would not have one. But if you need a pad, then it's going to be whatever pad you chose for whatever body part that you're treating. Once you've taken your pad out, you're ready to take the cooler itself out. So this one here is the Classic system. You're going to take the lid off. Inside, you're going to notice that there's an instruction booklet to tell you how to use it. And this is also where you're going to find your power supply. Once you've made sure that everything is there, you're ready to start your therapy.
Now that you know what comes with your cold therapy machine, let me know in the comment section below if you found this video helpful, and do give us a like. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Thanks for watching, and let's get back to living.